people. Happy New Year. Welcome back. I just arrived at the Hong Kong airport. I've got a 3-hour layover break, basically layover flights to Denpasar, Bali. It's gonna be 2-week holidays. It's very nice. The first video of the year. And I'm already going on holidays. I'm quite tired. It's been 12-hour flight, pretty smooth, no issues whatsoever. Everything is great. What 9:10? Oh, 9:09. I don't know, it's so weird lately. Every time when I check my phone, it's either like 16 or...
Oh, look at some signs. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, yeah, it's always...
Nature is dropping to us.
I remember one of my friends, he also had this thing, but that was like a couple of years ago, and I was like, that's weird. But he was always, he found that out on the phone. Like every time he checked his phone, it was always the same. But for me, it's not only on the phone, it's everywhere.
Okay. This
So
pollution
tired.
is horrible.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Jesus.
First I thought this is a fog, seriously, but it's
No,
not.
I knew.
Hey guys, so just landed in Denpasar, Bali. Second flight done. Bye, see ya. Thank you, bye bye. Thank you, bye bye. Oh my god. So hot, right? What? Jesus, so hot. Like I can feel like straight away I'm sweating in my trousers. Yeah. Alright. We are in a taxi now. We're getting to the bungalows. It's very, very hot and humid over here, but it's amazing. So I just need to change the clothes as soon as possible, and just maybe we'll go to the ocean. I just need to freshen up a little bit. At least I had some sleep a little bit on the second plane. At least something I got some energy, because otherwise the flight to Hong Kong was a bit rough. Yeah, what else I can tell you guys? Yeah, this is I think the beginning of the trip, and my travel sidekick this time is gonna be this girl over here. Her name is Maggie. She's a hairstylist.
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on. Hair designer. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna be here 2 weeks doing all kinds of stuff. Maggie? Oh, is that your number?
Oh,
Okay. So taxi driver just gave us the number just in case if you need some transportation to some other places. So yeah guys, so 2 weeks in Bali, here we go. My battery is gonna die I think any minute, so I need to be quick. So we just arrived at the place, at the bungalows, and then this guy is gonna show us where we're staying. Alright, show us where we're staying. We've seen multiple chickens on the road just running, almost killed one. Looks so beautiful over here. There we are.
Okay, welcome to Bungalow.
This is it. Very, very hot. Jeez.
Really nice.
Yeah.
I will bring inside.
Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. It's okay. Should be fine.
So I will explain for you about facility here.
Yeah.
Okay, the floor we have air conditioner.
Okay.
This one for remote for external and remote for television, pool if you want swim. And
Uh-huh.
also
Yeah.
for tonight, if you need something, you can go to the kitchen and ring the bell.
Uh-huh.
I will come to you to come
Okay.
you because I'm already here 24 hours here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And for Wi-Fi passport here in Bali to 2018.
Bali 2018, yeah?
Bali 2018.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. What else?
You have
Just
sign.
yeah, maybe the beach. The beach is that way on the
Yeah.
left, right?
You can look this sign is go there.
And that's
100.
it. Yeah.
Turn left. You can
Mm.
go there. You will feel fine.
You'll see.
You can fit. You can ask with the local people there.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
So it's like, how long? It's like 5 minutes?
Yeah, it's like how long
Yeah,
is it
I
to walk?
think 5 until 10
minutes?
minutes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cool.
Cool.
And one more question is like, if you want to go to, let's say, to the city, or I mean, where's like the nearest market to buy food or like water,
Oh
for example?
yeah. Well, if you want take food, it's go there and turn right. You will follow that street.
Okay.
Where we
You
came
ju-
in
yeah,
over there,
yeah.
yeah. Okay, it's a bit far, right? It's like it's like 15 minutes, no?
Yeah, I think yes. For
Um,
15 minutes
okay.
or 20 minutes.
Cool.
Mm.
I mean, that's it pretty much. And then on the
With transport also, you can go to kitchen. I will call taxi or you. Which one? Where do you want?
or like a scooter, for example.
Yeah, scooter.
Scooter
sure.
would be good, no?
Sure.
Mhm.
We will call the scooter also.
Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, cool. So yeah, we had a really long flight to Hong Kong, 12 hours, and then 3 hours in Hong Kong, and
Huh?
then from Hong Kong here,
Huh?
5 hours. So we're just so tired.
Yeah, so tired.
Yeah,
yes.
very tired. So we're
Very
probably
long.
gonna, I don't know, maybe go to just beach
Okay.
to swim a little bit, and maybe here. How's the water? Warm here or cold?
Okay. Yeah.
Is it
sure.
warm?
Yeah. Well, you can enjoy there.
Yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll go to the beach.
Yeah. So
And then the key is over here, yeah? And then
here
cool.
already been here.
So facilities. So nice in here. Love this wooden smell. So good. This is our bathroom over here. Shower. This is amazing, right? Like the toilet is here. And then yeah, you got trees and jungle, everything around. It's unbelievable. But yeah, this wooden smell is so nice. And then there's a pool over there on that side. So yeah, we're just heading now to the beach. I'm gonna try to get the drone out because we actually don't know where is the beach exactly. So I think the drone's gonna help me find out where's the beach. It's a bit windy.
Para